This first poem is called I Am. I am different, but the same. I'm human, but much more than just that. I'm like a bird. Not above everybody else, but among the rest of my kind. I'm like waves roaming back and forth among the earth. I'm like a fire going where I will, and moving freely without restraint. I'm like a great wind blowing over surfaces and changing what I will. I'm like an uncontrollable twister, destroying what I want. I'm like a cloud, and the rain is my rage. And when it builds up to a point of uncontrolled fury, I release my rain. I'm like a rainbow, each color a different mood. I'm all colors, all moods, all brightness, untamed. I am human. This one's called Starlight. Standing in the starlight as the night swept the sky, we have never held a star or felt its climate, but we have been filled with its light. So those were the two that made it into the yearbook. This one I have never actually written down, but it's stayed in my memory. It's a poem called Nonverbal Conversation. And it's about flirting. Grin, grin, wink, smile, think. Half heart, half mind, no limitations in a nonverbal conversation. Thank you.